morning, everyone. Welcome to the Stock Market Morning Prep video for Monday, August 24th. Last week, big sell-off in the markets. We were down about 150 S&P points in literally 4 days. Today, this morning, we're down another 74 handles, well over 200 S&P points. The Dow futures right now are trading at negative 660 points. So there's no bounce at all to be had. Do we look for a bounce? Do we catch a falling knife? Absolutely not. We sidestep the market today. We wait for stabilization. You're not going to look to get short down here. Way too overextended. We're down right now 4 standard deviations away from price, from the mean of price. Not good. The only thing is that we're looking for is where do we look for a big flush, which we're getting now, we're getting today. There'll be extremely large amounts of margin calls today. That's going to add more pressure to the markets, at least on the opening, and we'll see if we stabilize here later on this afternoon or late morning. Now, I want to show you a couple of indicators, then we'll go right into the charts, and you'll see what I'm talking about. We have the S&P stocks above the 200-day moving average. We are in washout territory now. Now, this is Friday's close. This will be below even more. So, if you see the futures, and if you're looking at the futures this morning, people are liquidating their futures. And of course overseas equities, and it's just adding more fuel to the fire here. So this will be down. We're at washout levels now from October. We're below it, and we'll open down even below that as well. Take a look at the McClellan Oscillator at 70, below 70, anywhere below 60. We get to these washout levels, and we're getting that in a large amount of indicators that I follow. So we are due for some sort of a dead cat bounce. I mean, do we go to new highs? Absolutely not. I think the markets are in trouble. We've been talking about this for the last year. 5 trading days wiped out all of 2015 and part of 2014 in 5 trading days. Absolutely insane because of the fact we have no liquidity in the marketplace. And the senators took that away, the Dodd-Frank Act. And that's just something that's hopefully will be fixed. There's no liquidity. There's volume, but there's no liquidity out there. Nobody's stepping in and looking to bid this market right now. And the algorithms will add fuel to the fire to the downside. Now, I do expect a bounce either later on today or sometime tomorrow. You just can't go straight down in 5 trading days. Not that you can't, but without some sort of a retracement rally, maybe 38% Fibonacci retracement, 50% of this move. And then you need to reevaluate. We need to reevaluate portfolios. You need to reevaluate your trading. And what's really next on board here. We do have light volume, as you know. A lot of the traders are out. That also adds fuel to the fire. So just crazy out there, guys. And it's always best to sidestep the markets. If you're trading during the day and you're coming into a market that's down 600, 700 points, the last thing you want to do is look to get short. Let the liquidation continue. Look for stabilization, and then the best shot is looking to buy the market at one point. But again, you do not want to be looking to catch a falling knife here. All right, let's just run into the indexes real quick. We are at right now on a close from Friday. The spiders are trading at 190. 190. That's down almost $8 from Friday's close after this debacle last week. Okay, and still moving lower. So 190 will get you here. Wouldn't surprise me if we fully flush down to these areas here at 183. Okay, not a pretty chart, guys. You can see all of 2015 is now gone. We are down big for the year, and now we're looking for an additional move lower. I'll do some Fibonacci retracements tonight and see where this market may be headed here. Okay. Next is the diamonds. You can see massive drop in the diamonds, and even the diamonds. If you look at it right now, they're trading at 158, which it comes right into here. This is the area where we're looking at. If I said if we broke this area, the next target's going to be 158. And sure enough, that's the October lows. That's exactly where we'll be opening this morning at 158 and change. Okay, not a good sight. Look at this. This is all of 2015 and matching 2014 lows. Okay. Transports, not a pretty sight, as you can see here. We're back below it. And again, guys, I've been saying this for now months. Next target is going to be the October lows, okay? And it's going to be the October lows in all of the indexes. Does it happen today? Not necessarily, but just, again, keep this in mind. It will drive all of the good assets and bad assets. Everything will get liquidated all in once. They're going to sell the good assets to pay for the bad assets, just the way it happens here. IWM, same thing, guys. We're going to be looking at this new target here of 110, and then, of course, the October lows, which will come into play right around 103.5, and we'll just kind of put this right here. Okay, we are getting into washout territories in these indicators, like I mentioned, so just keep that in mind. I'm not telling you to go buy the market here, guys. Absolutely not. I want stabilization. I want to see a base forming, and then we look to see where the markets may be going from here. Okay, let's see what happens this morning. Again, you're going to get that forced liquidation on margin calls, right? Nobody's going to want to put money into their brokerage account. They'd rather just sell the stock and start from scratch again, and that's where you're going to get a lot of that push lower, okay? All right, guys, I hope that helps. Be safe out there. You know, no reason to be a hero. Don't be picking a bottom. Let the markets settle in. Let the markets digest. Let's get through margin calls for today and then see where the market's headed. Again, I do believe that we will get a bounce. It is inevitable. Don't fall in love with selling short in here. It's way overextended. And then again, you will get that rip your face off rally, that counter trend rally. But when does it happen? No one knows. Let's let price tell us what to do before we jump into this market. Okay. Have a great day. Be safe out there. We'll speak to you tomorrow. Take care.